So this is the recently renovated place, Guptar Ghat. These are the well laid out roads, and this is the area which is coming up. Right in front you can see the temple in the far distance. So basically today we are going to take this route, which is a road from Guptar Ghat to Naya Ghat. So this is the outer stretch of the road which is outside the city limits, and we will be going in a time warp mode of GoPro so that you can see what is ahead. And hopefully this road should take us to Naya Ghat if there is some problem in between. So we'll have to stop there and turn back. But let's see what is the status.
Benati